Hello Granny Bee fans, so we have got a very fun project lined up for our next polka project. It's a rocking chair that we got off Marketplace. It's in pretty good condition, so we just washed it off with some sunlight and light sunlight water and then some lacquer thinners, cleaned it with that. It was dinged up here and there. We filled it up with embossing paste. So yeah, it's ready to be tackled. We are going to be using a cordless sprayer from Ryobi. A lot of women feel very comfortable using tools like this. It's not me, I'm not that woman, so this is going to be a nice little challenge for me to see if it is as easy as people say. So we're very excited. I'm going to show you step by step how to put the paint in, how it works, and yes, watch this space. The color that we chose for this project is Tuscan Sun. You can see we're giving it a good mix, and then we'll show you how to put this into the sprayer. Okay, so we are going to dilute the paint a little bit. I'm going to put half of a 250ml jar in a container here. So I've mixed it well. Okay, so that's about 125 ml of paint. I'll clean that up now. Okay, so we are gonna just wing it here and put a little bit of water in at a time. The consistency that we are after is a little bit like melted ice cream. So I'm gonna do, it's usually, the ratio is usually 10% to 15%. To get it to a nice consistency for the spray gun. I think this is good. Okay, and then we want to get it into the spray gun container. I'm going to use a stocking, which is like a sieve, just to make sure that there's no little extra like thick pieces in here, because we want a smooth consistency. It can also get stuck into the sprayer and you don't want to be battling with any of those things. Okay, we are ready. Our paint is in here. It's ready. So here I go with my power tool. So the trick is thin layers. It's really like spraying. It's so easy. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So we ended up using a half a liter of the Polka Tuscan Sun, and we are done. It was like one of the quickest projects I've ever done. I'm going to be mixing 250 ml of Polka seal, so straight into this container, and then we are going to seal. So we don't need to dilute here. Remember the whole thing around diluting, you really lose the effectiveness of the product. So we don't need to dilute the Polka seal at all. It goes straight in. It's great consistency for the spray gun. So let's go. Okay, so now we've got our polka seal in here. We're going to spray 2 layers of the polka seal, and then this chair is ready to go. Ryobi and polka, it's an absolute match made in heaven. Little Sunday afternoon project done. Took a total of 2.5 hours, drying times and all of that. Half a liter of polka Tuscan Sun and 250 ml of polka seal. Mwah.